juice?
It's Lantus insulin for my diabetes.
What's Lantus?
It's a kind of insulin that lasts for 24 hours, which helps to keep my blood sugar low so I don't have to take so many shots.
Does it hurt?
Sometimes, but it's nice that I don't have to do one injection at night, then just monitor my blood during the day. I have 2 kinds of insulin, but can't mix them together because Lantus can't mix with anything.
Oh, does it make you sick?
No, it makes me feel better. But if I take too much, my sugar gets low and I have to get some candy or juice.
Lantus insulin is to be used once daily at night to lower blood sugar in patients with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It is a clear solution that slowly delivers the insulin to your body for 24 hours. Lantus should never be mixed with any other insulin. Lantus is approved for children over the age of 6. When using Lantus, as well as any anti-diabetic agent, be aware of warning signs of hypoglycemia, including, but not limited to, sweating, shakiness, dizziness, irritability, and pale skin. Insulin should be stored in the refrigerator until opened. Do not use vials for over 28 days from opening. Do not shake vial before injection. It should be rolled between palms of your hands. Consult with your physician before taking any new medications, including dietary supplements, as these may affect blood sugars. Proper diet and exercise should be used in combination with anti-diabetic medications for better results. Lantus, used once nightly for longer days of fun.